guys, it's Molly. I'm here today to bring you a channel reading, you guys. Oh my gosh, here's the nail polish situation. Yes. We've been riding some trains. Yeah. High power. Okay. Yes. Okay. Gotta shake them down, rise them up. Yeah. Okay. Who's just reading for? Guys, this is gonna sound fast right now. Let's get to the shuffle. We have all the signs. Knock, wanna play? Knock, wanna play? Libra. Okay. All right, Libra. Libra. See the railroad tracks? Pet stop. Mobile, Alabama. Okay. Yep. Hi, Libra. I'm Molly. I'm a clairaudient psychic empath. I'm channeling right now, which means I'm in a meditative dreamlike state. Yes. So I see some weird stuff. Yeah, it's because I have a filter on the brain right now. Spirits delivering messages directly to me. Okay. There's a train off in the distance. Yeah. Touch track. You feel it? Darling, darling, stand by me. Okay. All right. So yeah, I'm just gonna shuffle your cards, Libra, and sing a song. Yes. And see what pops out. Okay. Okay. All right. Come on. My headphones right now. It's right. Let's see what's going on. Okay. Your song. Arl Burnside, John Spencer Blues Explosion. Shake them on down. Yes. Here goes that train. You can feel it. Yeah. Shake them on down. Okay. All right. You ready, Libra? I'm ready. Okay. I'm just going to start here. Got it all queued up. All right. Arl Burnside, John Spencer Blues Explosion. Somebody's having an explosion. Okay. What do you got to tell us? Time to get down and dirty. You come to my house and get it on. Well, around here, know that I'm somewhere. Shake on down, baby. Ow. Oh, God. Yeah. Oh, God. What's happening? What's going on? Shake them on down. Me and my baby, we was in the field. Heard that train? It's a left mobile. I'm a stylo. Libra. Yeah. I'm so tired of hollering. I told him, shake him on down. Now, baby, we're gonna get somebody. Gonna go down. Shove down twice, yeah. What's going on? Shake 'em on down. Yeah. Best I'm hollering. Best I'm hollering. Shake 'em on down. Final message for Libra. Shake 'em all down. All night crazy. Shake 'em all down, yeah. Gonna tell ya. What's going on? What's going on? You wanna jump on the train, baby? Hey guys, it's Molly. Okay, so that was your song and your shuffle. Hi guys, I'm Molly. I am a clairaudient psychic empath, yes. Brought to you by Venus. I am a super Libra. Hi fellow Libras, yes. Brought to you by Venus. I am a librarian for the Akashic Records and a guide for a spiritual awakening in the twin flame journey. Guide, okay. All right, Libra. Your song, R.L. Burnside, John Spencer Blues Explosion, working together to shake them on down. Yeah, okay. So Libra, I'm channeling right now. Anything I say is part of your message, okay? Look at that disco chicken. Yeah. I only pursue the highest vision I have for my life. Each day is filled with joy. You know what's cool about the disco chicken, Libra? Somebody has noticed because the cosmic snail has arrived. Okay. As somebody fills each day with joy. See that? See that disco chicken? Yes. He wants to be at the disco dancing. But he's stuck in the barn. Yeah. So instead of being very sad, he hung a disco ball up in the barn and he disco dances in the barn and he pretends that he's at the disco. See all that grit? That's really shooting stars that he kicks around. Yeah. All right. Somebody sees that. Cosmic Snail has shown it to them. Okay. And they have noticed that this person only pursues the highest vision they have for their life. They don't give up. They're a disco chicken. Yes. Okay. They like that. Okay. So Libra, I'm going to be popping clarifiers while I tell you the downloads I got when I listened to that song. Yes. Okay. And then I'll read. All right. What's on the bottom of the deck? Oh. Want a disco? Okay. Staying alive. Staying alive. Staying alive. Okay, these people know how to disco dance. They may show each other how to stay alive. Okay. All right. They may show other people how to stay alive. Okay. These are high-vibing people. And he wants her to ride the big train. Okay. She brings in all these sunflowers. Okay. We could have a Leo coming into play. All right. All right. Somebody may have a plaid shirt. Oh, yeah, they're manifesting. Okay. The Raven's going to bring the 10 of Cups. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Okay. Yeah, somebody may wear a plaid shirt. A plaid shirt may mean something. Somebody. Okay, let's see. We got R.L. Burnside and John Spencer Blues Explosion. All right, so R.L. Something happened. Burnside. Yep. This person may have suffered emotional wounds. Yes, the spirit sent in. The blues explosion. Yep. A happy, spiritually rich, optimistic person to show them life is beautiful. It's Misty Day holding, yep, the water lily. Yes, because the lily, the stem of the lily. The fibers are very strong, hard to break. This is, a true BFF, a true soulmate. The spirit has sent in. Okay. Oh, cool. All right. Tell us about the 8 of Wands and Page of Cups for Libra. All right. All right. So somebody may buy steel guitar strings, new guitar strings. Somebody may be riding a train, a bus, a tour bus, a tour van. This could be like bands going on tour. A harmonica may mean something. Ass pocket of whiskey may mean something. Somebody may like to smoke weed. Somebody may quit drinking. Okay. They may have drank whiskey in the past. In the past, when they drank the whiskey, they may have dealt with, a Medusa, okay? They may have dealt with somebody who yelled at them, closed off their heart chakra, okay? Gave them the blues, okay? But the power isn't in that, no. The power is in love, okay? This person has realized it, okay? Somebody's super sexually attracted to the other person. They want to start something. They want to, brand it. Okay. Page of Pentacles. Okay. Page of Pentacles for Libra. Somebody may feel it coming. The big train. Passion is stirring. Somebody's feeling very creative. Yep. Their brain is buzzing. Yes, okay. Venus punched them right in the third eye. Okay. And the passion is stirring. I give myself room to grow. All right. They met a seamstress. Okay. A seamstress is somebody who can take something out of nothing and bring it together and make something wonderful. Yes. All right. They may have met a muse, somebody who inspires them, sparks their creativity, something along that line. All right. All right. This was, yeah, okay. Tell us about this. Okay. This is all over. Okay. Tell us about this for Libra. All right. Somebody may go to Mobile, Alabama. Or the South. There might be a Southern tour, a Southern road trip. Peanuts or peanut butter might mean something. See a record on a record player. Just a black record it is. Okay, now turn to pink. All right. Somebody's having a love explosion. Okay, let's hear about this for Libra. All right. Okay, hear the train when I'm shuffling. Okay. I see the train in black and white, the boxcar. Okay, somebody's reaching their hand out. Oh, there's another hand coming in. Okay. Black and white, pulling up. Okay, there's it looks like henna. Henna. Like a henna. This might be past life. Okay. Libra. Okay. When that person gets pulled up on the train, then that's at the end. They go through an energetic portal and they level up. They've decided, that they found something. This Emperor has found someone he can make beautiful music with. Power couple. Oh, Libra, let's hear about it. Tell us about the power couple. Okay, this is bad. I am always learning. Okay, these two can learn from each other. All right. Power couple. These two have learned that their life is a gift. Their life purpose may be to remind other people that their life is a gift. Shake them down to bring them up. All right. Okay. I see the sun. Okay. All right. Okay, Libra, here's your message for today. See the Starseeds. All right, the train. Somebody feels it coming. Yes. All right, this may have taken a long time, Libra. Yes. Spirit sends in the cosmic snail. This is a destined thing that may have taken quite a long time to arrive. This is a huge part of the journey. All right. We have somebody noticing that the other person, it could be both people noticing it in each other, yeah, that each day is filled with joy. This person is trying to live each day filled with their own personal truth, their joy, their happiness. These people have learned, or this person has learned, they only pursue the highest vision they have for their life, all right? All right, this could be a musician. I see the club, people dancing. Yes. All right, the disco chicken. Okay. In the disco turkey. All right, together again. All right, so these are healed people. Yes. All right. These people do have a connection from a past life, all right? They've rode the train together many times in the past life. It's Anita Ford and Bojangles. Okay. All right. All right, we have the masculine showing up here. He can't stop thinking about this feminine. All right, this is a very private person. All right, this person may have some money. They may have cool style. They may be very intelligent. They may just like stick to themselves though. They may have, you know, This person watches though. They're constantly watching. And they're constantly watching her, the feminine. She may not even know that they're watching. They may be watching her on social media. They may be watching whatever, okay? But they're deciding now, that they want to take care of her. They want to do something. They want to ride the train, okay? They felt the track. And they've come to understand that she will stand by them. Okay. All right. This masculine may be starting to remember this connection. He may be getting activated. He may be feeling the strong pull to ride the big train with her. Okay. In some ways, she has shown him that life is beautiful, that she is strong, a best friend, a pure person, an enlightened person. All right. And he's ready to leave the past in the past. I see him looking over at Medusa here. Okay. And wants to go away from the yelling, the low vibes, because he does deserve love and happiness. This person may have been in a past relationship where somebody didn't understand them. All right. Okay. Something to do with the green face, but can't get it. This person may wear a lot of makeup, something like that. Okay. Somebody may have a snake. He had to shed a bunch of skins from this past person. This person had a lot of power over them. It may have been more of a bully type energy that had to get released. All right. Once they did shed whatever that was, they came to realize that life is beautiful. Okay. And they want to they want to start this new thing. Yeah. And head towards this beautiful life. And he sees something with her. All right. Okay. This masculine has released whatever this was that was holding him back. It was a really powerful, low vibe type energy. But I see all the ravens flying away. Yep, they're flying away from this and going toward her. Yes, the high vibe. Okay, the high priestess. Okay, this may be a high priestess. This may be somebody who works with the moon. All right. They want to go from Medusa to the high priestess. All right. The love arrows have hit this person. Okay. Okay, here's the train. Okay. So this person wants to move on from whatever the past was. The love arrows have hit them, and they want to deliver a message to the feminine, all right? All right, they want to ask her if she wants to ride the big train, okay? They may ask her to travel. They may ask her to go somewhere with them. They may go on mass transit. They may go on tour. They may go on carpool together for work. Okay. Something like that. All right. All right, with the Page of Pentacles, this masculine does have an idea. It's like a big one. It's something he wants to brand, he wants to own. He's giving himself room to grow. All right. He's tamed his rough. Okay. All right. Okay, so this person may be in the spotlight. All right. There is an aspect of like deflection of ego flare-ups that this person has to deal with because of whatever they do. But they have some sort of business idea with the seamstress, with this person, with this feminine. She can take something out of nothing. All right. He may have seen her grow in some way. He may have seen her make something, create something. He may want to come together in business with this person, create a brand. All right. Okay. Okay, now they're, okay. Yeah, okay. Somebody's shoving like a bunch of coal into the train to make the train go. Okay, they're in the train. Okay. Because people may work on ideas while they're traveling, while they're moving, while they're doing something. Something like that. Okay. This did have to do with Medusa. Okay. There is a cycle that's ending. All right. It was an embarrassing cycle. It was something they didn't like. They may have hid. They may have felt unworthy, less than. Okay. Something significant may have happened around Christmas time. Okay. Somebody may have been really manipulative. They may have been deceitful. They may have been selfish. They may have been a mind game player in a low vibey way. This person does not want to deal with that anymore. They're able to identify this energy now. Okay. And they want to head toward the bunny rabbit. They're done with this and they want this. Okay. So they may go from one kind of person to another kind, like the total opposite of what they used to go for, something like that. All right. A fireplace may mean something. Okay. Okay, so this person, this masculine, has realized he deserves love and happiness. He sees this little bunny rabbit. So this is a playful person. This person may dress uniquely. They may play around. They may be an actor. There may be something where they wear costumes. Something like that. All right. He enjoys it. He watches this. This person may hang out at like cafes, coffee shops. They may read. They may watch. They may observe her while they're hanging out by themselves. All right. They may be thinking about how to ask the little bunny rabbit for coffee. All right. Before she hops away. All right. Because they want her to ride the big train. Okay, there's the blues explosion right there. Is the bunny girl. Yeah. She's happy. She's spiritually rich. Okay. All right. He has love in the eyes. Person may have significant tattoos on their legs. All right. She's here to help this person open their heart chakra. He's here to help her open her heart chakra, have fun. Okay. All right. The message from Spirit for both of these people. I see the fish looking right in the boat. Okay, so when I held this, it's fish. Okay. Okay. There's the beef. Okay. All right, so this is, all right, this is a hardworking person down by the river, okay? This emperor has been watching this feminine. They have noticed that she's always learning. She believes her life is a gift, all right? She does have self-love. She may work with the moon. There may be some mysterious things about her. She may be psychic. The Queen of Cups is a very psychic person. All right. He may be journaling, writing about her. She's totally caught his eye. He's never met a girl like this before. Okay. And he has all these ideas now. Now that this passion is struck. An albatross got released. Yep. There was a curse that she took care of. Okay. All right. And now he wants to come together. This is my card for a power couple. All right. So he wants to go down to the river to see the beeve and come be a power couple. All right. There is a significant mission they have. All right. Somebody might have a little dog. Somebody might have a kid. All right. Okay, there's your message, Libra. Most important message of all. Heck yeah, my life is a gift. You may have had some struggles, Libra. Your person, whoever this person is, this emperor that's coming in, they may have had some struggles. Now it's time for these two to receive their gift from Spirit. Yes. It's time for the sun. Woo. All right. There's your message, Libra. There's the first part of your message. Now, the second part, I'll read it back. I'll watch it back. All right. You might read. This person may send you a written message. All right. Okay, we have Aries, Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces may be coming into play. Okay, Capricorn. Okay, I was going to say Leo, but Capricorn shot out for the sun. Okay. All right, those may be significant in people's charts. All right, so watch it back, and whatever spirit has me, they'll shoot out a kind of buzzword for me. I'll start typing it in. Whatever pops up, I'll know that's a message. I'll copy and paste it down in the comments. So you may get additional messages down in the comments. Yep. All right, that's it. Okay. Have a good day, Libra. There's your message. If you want to cruise my Etsy shop, there's a link right there in the description. All right, peace out, Libra. Bye-bye.